Mama wakwaba midin ede ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebushafo eni nipa yoka say eka NPP communication team members no na omo say Northness no and as a northern region. Mami ama HS ordinary atutu ma. Northness no say His Excellency Omanpelida da John Dramani Mahama and a Vice President Dr. Bawumia say nkrofo mi new na every northern region. Enti no Northness no almost pay omo gbaale say NPP for November almost them one just vote for Vice President Dr. Bawumia as more flag bearer. Keke do omo pay for NPP for one. And 2024 December abatono not na neighbor compound word nesa besi mahama no so obaby brutal to omo you ready ebusafo yentie ensaba NPP communicated e de etuja
kaye kakra se o onua woni ni nyina na free northern region enti kese o ka bi kura ma no enye wusuban bone ni wo abrabo bone a wo papa we wabo e wo Ghana ha enka wutimi gina mo ka se ye wura Bawumia a dangerous man. Or a dangerous sensing. Many about or a dangerous or the free education. What boy me a free education? Abana yin Ghana phone yin yabi and you're not in region pet and enjoy and in danger. Amesa, name someone work can see a common year pa or Ubon Sampa. Who be at all moso. Every say. So what shall be a 8 years ago. Na MPP yejina 4 northern regions no. And now 5 northern regions. Now, what the ba ene through Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and Kunyado do a yasisa, ya free NDC for one someone. Or Casa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you're dangerous. And so say you're Jinachini. You're Jinachini. A Chinese mean, I may check him. If you say I want Yamima Yankwa. Na ye timi doctor, ye to abamana, I bet to a man who's one. Not just abana ye beto next year no ye nuanu mienu omu nyina free northern region if you send this for you omo de ededa NDC for amayate ase se nipa ni omo party ni NDC for amayate ase enye me na meka Ewurajo Mahama ko ono ane to eastern region mi krom ho no koka no se ono nko a na enyansani o ne party mu nti NDC for na amayate ase the delegates nso aboa no amaye nyina yate ase se NDC for nipa nim enti nyame ya adoma ye de ye wo nipa MPP for ye wo nipa ye ni nipa nka nye nipa du ina gina ho yi ye be make decision no 2024 na akoye Northness 2 enti ye nuanom omwo north no nyame ye nuanom MPP for the population of the northern region ni be gina ho na omo afo mu nuanom mienu ni gina gina ho na omo de aye comparison ye Bawumia eba be di vice president in fear watching by 2024 a day na waya amayen impuntu obe no de abaya brabum just northern region we men see from me kan ye northern sector be so honko a me ma from e so honko a on be sa comparison no mo de abaya wura John Mahama obedi vice president ye kan say ye delegates so ho mo bru 200,000 esi ahenefo omo aye omo adwen se omo beto ababa Dr. Bawumia nyame ma yadom no ama ye nyina nkwa na 4th November ebedru ni yetoma na metimi aka ewo arehemu ne with all confidence say NDC egu ewo northern region eno ho esuro ena papa yusuro a ode ka ne oken eno ho nti in NDC for a northern region, I got according to your communications officer, your Kasai. So more yet campaign against Dr. Bawumia. Now, NDC for dear, your Razo Kadie, MPP phone como a fan of Hobang, a assembling, Ober Musain. Yenny Yahu, any year quiet primaries, in a nipper do Mudiaba, in the Yako Yimuba. It's we are then a 2 and Nisiba Hoso.
Yempesi ebeba ministries wono yebehu se obi ohon ma ye friend sanitation minister yempesi ebehu sanitation ministry no ne offices ewo ministry ho. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Are you there? Are you there? Can I preach on? I don't want to see sanitation minister at the ministries. We don't want to see their offices because they are irrelevant. They are incompetent. And to John Dramani Mahama time, no, there was someone we call sanitation minister. Masha say I question these so-called ministers, no. Yeah, who say new man can say so none of them is delivering. Obini why? Road minister de muamunim. Or the John Dramani Mahama ne kambo muno mu digana fosika. Me say, sanka me be government na say me ba ma. John Dramani ka I will put you to jail. It's a promise. Sankame akwenye ba mami David. Ma ba be president aka memwa da ubini ho. Ka mema John Dramani Mahama wo be da ubini ho. By the time they take you out no, now we sua some senses. Wo be sua nyansa. Ka wo be sua nyansa. Nyai benifu. Utimi confess Sunday or the same sanitation minister. Would life year or the same office no number of years no office no or sanitation ministry no or meant to deliver. Then there has to be, there should be an accountability. We call you and we caution you. Why did you appoint this person? He couldn't deliver and you didn't do anything about it. Why? Were they being paid? You ask them, were they being paid? Did you pay your sanitation ministry? Were you paying them? You mean you took Ghanaian taxpayers' money to pay your sanitation ministry workers? Then there should be an accountability. Hey, Ghana for Muslim BBO, John Mahama, why you empty-headed man? He has nothing for Ghana. Oh, now, Enya Kufuado and Kawu Kwasuato. Kaubet me and Baba Begin say, I'm coming back. I would rather.
Saudia, what the best Sandia, air Coswaya, the awo trimming Kukobuo. But men Kukobuo Kakra, Nankokonato, Gokonato and Yaton Cusiano, Yaton Cusiane didn't do baby. Now feel Cusiana Cocono Baco Crania Brewa, na Yaton Cocrano, sorry, Yaton Cocono. End of business. Dr. Mahama, why do you do this? What the president da say, with all due respect, what the president da? With all due respect, Pamo philosopher so kwachine sankrofo ni free omo jagal ne pe. Because those people always want you to say stuff that will disgrace you. Hey, our polling station agents are illiterate. Na omo bo vuvuzela. As for Sante for there, would you go to your crime omo kura na enyo omo fe. And I am calling na was free education no. Eduane ayede ma omo no, me kna man kura ndi. Hey. Aboso me nkunu awo. Emu ntesutie, emu obre, kode na, woda na dwuna wunyane na kode ibutu yem. Enne de ye the Ghana sika ehwe oba no school keke ntin obi sa oba ne ye knaman because ono Mahama mma wo mu ndidi sa no kre na sabe Mahama nkraman no kra ne German shepherd moa no wo mu di aduane papa echen free education aduane so nkodai kodi ba ye yade o Chairman Drew ebi adinam Harvard ebi adinam Brunel College ebi adinam University of Ghana yanyare ye ho ayefe Ebinimu didi 3 times a day. What to papa no ma men chen wo fie wo didi once enumre ye hwe banche ne ye yibi ahye ne nsa